Don't skip this affirmations. Affirmation for anxiety overthinking. If your mind has been heavy, this is for you. My thoughts are calm. God gives me peace. My mind is clear. My heart is steady. I breathe in God's love and release fear. Stop overthinking powerful peace affirmation. Night peace before you sleep. Don't sleep yet, bless your night with this. My mind is calm. My heart is steady. My spirit is at rest. God watches over me. Angels surround my home. I sleep under divine protection. Every stress leaves my body. Every fear leaves my mind. Peace fills my room. I will wake up restored, strengthened, and renewed. When you feel weak, God is strengthening you. If you feel tired, say this slowly. I am strengthened by the Lord. His power renews me. His spirit lifts me up. My weakness becomes strength. My fear becomes courage. My doubts become faith. I can do all things through Christ. I am empowered. I am unstoppable. I am rising again. Someone you love needs this declarations. Stop overthinking. God gives you peace. If your mind has been heavy, pause and declare this. My thoughts are calm. God gives me peace. Stress leaves me now. I release fear. I release worry. I release what I cannot control. God fights my battles. God directs my steps. God holds my future. My mind is steady. My heart is at peace. Play this whenever you start overthinking. God's timing is perfect. Affirm this. This will give you peace. Listen. My life is aligned with God's timing. I am not late. I am not behind. I am exactly where God wants me to be. Everything is unfolding perfectly. God is ordering my steps. Nothing in my life is wasted. I trust His timing. I trust His process. I trust His plan. Good things are coming. Comment, I trust God's timing. Share this video too. Give someone peace of mind.